particular. These AC adapters look exactly like genuine manufacturer AC adapters. In every respect, they look correct. They have a label that looks genuine. This is a fake AC adapter I'm showing you. Here's a genuine IBM AC adapter. As you can see, there's no difference in the look, the label, or anything else. There's only one possible way you could find out if you've been sold or if you're using a fake AC adapter. That is to weigh the AC adapter. The fake AC adapter, when put on a scale, weighs 8.6 ounces. The real IBM AC adapter weighs 10.07 ounces. While the weights on these particular adapters may differ from other IBM AC adapters, counterfeits always weigh less than the genuine product because they're made of cheap, substandard components. When you're dealing with cheap, substandard components in an AC adapter, you're endangering your life and your computer because these overheat and they can internally combust when the cheap, substandard components break down. So, don't be fooled into using a fake AC adapter. If you want a real AC adapter made by IBM, Dell, HP, get it from the manufacturer's website or getadapters.com, a website that only sells genuine AC adapters.